Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Tech Lab. Here we're doing a screen replacement on a Palm Centro, that is the Palm 690. And so we need a couple of tools here, a plastic ABS prying tool, a T4 screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and start with the back door battery. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you need to take care of. 5 screws total, and so we're going to go ahead and do that. So I've got 5 screws off right now, and I'm going to use the prying tool right here to open up the back cover. Actually, there are a total of 6 screws. So just to make sure you got all 6 of these, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I've got the back cover off now, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the LCD cable right there. Take that open. Actually, my mistake. This cable here is actually the cable for the keypad, not the LCD. I'm gonna go ahead and take this board out for now. Circuit board. Okay. The LCD cable is actually right here. So let's do this here. Alright, so here we have the LCD off of the Sprint Centro 690, and now I'm going to go ahead and replace it. With a new. If the this plastic here, rubber piece here came off, you might want to make sure that it goes right back into the same. There we go. Connect the LCD cable. Make sure you align the cable. See that line right there? You want to make sure that's at the bottom of the latch, so that it's in the latch, so to speak. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off of the old LCD unit. Tape that over. Now I've got the keyboard cable, which needs to be reconnected as well. Again, you want to make sure the alignment is correct and that it's snug. Okay, so there we have it right there. I'm going to go ahead and put the memory back, if there is a piece of memory. Okay, now it comes to the back of the unit. Is correct, and that it's snug. Okay, so there we have it right there. I'm going to go ahead and put the memory back, if there is a piece of memory. Okay, now it comes to the back of the unit. Is correct, and that it's snug. Okay, so there we have it right there. I'm going to go ahead and put the memory back, if there is a piece of memory. Okay, now it comes to the back of the unit.